What's up, guys? Welcome back to Stuff on an Island. What's up with you guys? And we're always smiling. So I'm
off the island though, because like
facts. But yeah, we in here. We in here. Last night we went to a nice little Italian restaurant and stuff, but like my camera was bugging, like it wasn't picking up the light properly, so whatever. So we're here. We're back in Mexico, baby. Do you hear my people singing? Mexico?
Yeah.
But you went too, right?
Yeah, I went. It was
Cancun?
It was dope because I went to see like the Mayan temples and stuff.
Yeah.
But like the problem was the only reason that like I was mad tired the whole trip was because we only had 2 days there, and like we had like a tour the same day we landed, and it was like an overnight trip too. It was like a whole big thing. So.
Yeah, that's big. What kind of water is this? Is this like sparkling or is it tap?
It's like Shrek's piss.
Huh?
It's like Shrek's piss.
Shrek's. Oh, so that's for you. Okay, cool. Yeah, so I'm gonna get some carnitas, fried pork, and both 2 of those, and I'm gonna be getting a asada, which is the carne asada grilled steak.
Carne asada.
What are you getting?
I'm getting like
Shrek's piss.
actually drink pee.
You don't drink what?
I don't drink pee.
Really?
No.
So what do you drink? Oh, Shrek's. What are you getting though, on a real?
I'm getting 2 carnitas and 1 pastor taco.
Okay, cool.
Thanks.
What are you gonna drink? Hey, how are you? I'm ready.
Yeah, I'm
so
ready.
I'm getting 2 carnitas. Oh, no, ladies first.
Alright.
What do you say?
I said that is Venezuela's finest because
She is fine, right? Damn, she's so sweet.
like there's a level, there's like, right? You got booty, but then you got booty. You feel me?
Let me see your gesture. What kind of?
Booty and then booty. You feel me? Like
What about the hips?
it's honestly for me it's the thighs.
It's the what?
The thighs, bro.
Oh, okay.
Cause I like chicken thighs. You feel me? I like my dark meat.
Shrek's piss.
Take 99.
This is literally take 99. Yeah, so you guys, you can see like we just ordered our food. It was pretty good. Well, we haven't eaten this yet, but I think it's gonna be good. You know, but the waitress is good. I can say that. She does have I did not see that. But anyway, we're about to get some Mexican food right now. Jamaica juice. You guys who've been watching the Mexican vlogs, you guys know that I like that. Because it's very reminiscent to sorrel, without the ginger, without the rum. And yeah, my cousin's gonna get some churros for dessert. I'm gonna probably get the same thing as well with some ice cream maybe. I don't know. And,
There's a deli right across the street.
don't they have ice cream?
Maybe.
I don't know, but anyway, catch you guys soon.
That's beef. Yep.
Fire. I'm having this the carne asada, which is the beef. It's really good. The soft taco, worth it. I think it's a crispy shell. I think it's a crispy pork. I was by right supposed to get 2 porks and one of these, but she kind of messed the order up, but that's fine because she's fine. So you got it? Dope, right?
I agree.
Yep, 100%. So I got this tres leche cake. It looks really fire. Oh, my battery's dying too. Oh my gosh, look at that.
Is that good?
Good, bro. We'll try it?
I can't.
Oh, good. Great.
Crazy late.
I'm so happy for that. That together, bro. He's allergic to dairy. Get that. Hit that. Oh yeah. You could die a happy man.